Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today we are talking about VA loan requirements, and we're going to get started right now. Hey, what's going on, everybody? I am Mark with My Front Range Living, powered by RE/MAX Integrity. I am a full-time real estate agent here in Colorado Springs, and I am joined today by Dave Oliver. Hey, buddy.
Mark.
Thanks for being on board. And Dave is with Community Banks Mortgage, and we're going to be talking today about VA lending requirements. And so, Dave, talk to me, because the VA, what a great product the VA lending is, right? But
fantastic.
But man, there's a lot of moving parts to this. So kind of walk me through it. Tell me, what are some of the requirements for a VA? I mean, yes, military service helps.
Sure.
So give me some of the requirements for VA lending.
Yeah, so VA, I mean, most VA buyers tend to be first-time buyers. Okay. No money down.
All right. And that's an option with the VA program, right? No money down.
Best use, yeah, it's fantastic. Awesome. There are some things that you have to look at when you use a VA loan. They have different fee structures than other avenues that you can pursue.
Okay.
It's called a VA funding fee.
A funding fee.
Funding fee. So basically, it's a amount of money you pay to the VA.
Okay.
For the benefit of the program.
Okay.
There are exceptions. So if you are a disabled veteran with a 10% or higher disability rating,
okay, it's zero.
So
okay, so all right, so the funding fee for 10% or more disability, zero. Okay.
So no fee.
So let's say I don't qualify for that.
Okay.
But I do want to put zero down. What does that fee look like?
2.3%.
2.3%.
The first time you use it.
Okay.
And that's generally what happens. It's added to your loan.
And so it's 2.3% of the purchase price of the home, or the overall?
Of the purchase price.
Okay, great.
So you'll pay 2.3%, assuming you're doing 100% financing.
Okay.
Okay, so to answer your question, if you put down a certain percentage,
right,
it would be of your loan amount.
Okay.
Okay, and there are different things that come into play there, but in most cases, it's a zero down situation. It's 2.3%. Added to your loan. Okay. Okay, so it's not a monthly fee. It's a one-time thing.
It's right there in the loan.
It's right there.
Got it.
And so it tends to be more inexpensive than if you were to pay PMI, which is generally
that FHA requirement that we were talking about.
Exactly.
Yeah. Sure. Okay, so talk to me a little bit about loan limits. I know that FHA has loan limits, conventional has loan limits. What are the lending limits for a VA loan?
It's a great question. So they're pretty much, you name it, you can do it. But the thing with VA is they have tiers. So like what's called a regular VA compared to what's known as a VA jumbo.
Okay.
So in Colorado Springs, El Paso County,
okay, the
loan limit to avoid the jumbo is $510,400.
So $510,400. Anything below that qualifies for regular VA lending.
Correct.
Without jumping to that jumbo.
Correct.
Okay.
And the VA funding fee can be added to that number.
Oh,
so
okay.
you don't have to have the 510.4 include the VA funding fee.
Oh, nice.
So there you get your best interest rate.
Okay.
If you go above that,
okay,
then you're just going to be paying a slightly higher rate because you're into that VA jumbo category.
Okay.
But
still no cap, right?
Yep.
That's fantastic.
Yeah.
So you're still going to get the VA benefits on any amount that you decide to go out and mortgage, right?
Yeah, that's true.
Pretty. So what are some of the primary differences that you see between FHA conventional and then the VA program?
Yeah, so the big thing with VA is the rates are super competitive, like pretty much the lowest available are VA.
Okay.
The ability to do a zero down loan.
That's huge.
It's huge. Lenient debt to income ratio.
Okay.
Lenient credit score
okay,
requirements.
Right.
So really the only drawback when you're looking at a VA loan is the funding fee and whether that makes sense. And you'd have to compare.
Yeah, but it's tough to think of a drawback like that being too terribly bad when it's zero down.
Agree.
I mean, it's so great.
Agree.
And we were talking, you're really familiar with VA lending. You do quite a few of these, yeah?
I do, but about 70% of my business is VA. So
wow.
Very familiar with VA. If you're doing a zero down loan,
yeah,
you're not going to beat it.
Okay.
Like, it is the best loan you can get.
Okay.
By far.
So what that tells me is if you are looking for a VA loan, Dave Oliver needs to be in your contacts right now. He's the guy to talk to. Dave, thanks for being on, man. I appreciate
Thank
it.
you.
Hey, once again, this is Dave Oliver with Community Banks Mortgage, and I am Mark Hubert with My Front Range Living, powered by RE/MAX Integrity. As always, thanks for stopping by. If you don't mind, please go down below and subscribe to the channel. We put out content every single week, and we would love to make sure that you see it. We are also on the other social platforms, Facebook and Instagram, at My Front Range Living. And that's more hyper-local. That's where we provide a little more local flavor for Colorado Springs specifically. But once again, thanks for stopping by. We hope you have a great day, and we'll see you soon. Bye.